In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a menu in WordPress. We'll walk through the built-in site editor so you can set up a clean, functional navigation that appears across your site. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, go to Appearance, then select Editor. This opens the site editor, which controls how your theme's templates look and behave. If you don't see the editor option, it likely means you're using a classic theme. The steps here apply to block themes that support the site editor. Once it loads, you're viewing your site with editable regions you can click into. Next, open the header template part. The header is the reusable area that usually contains your logo or site title and the main navigation. Click into the header from the canvas or from the list view panel if it's visible. You're now editing just this part, so your changes will carry across all templates that use this header. Inside the header area, add a navigation block. Click the plus button to insert a block, search for Navigation, and select it. The navigation block is purpose-built for menus, giving you options for alignment, spacing, and styling, and it slots neatly alongside your logo or site title. When prompted, click Create New Menu. If WordPress detects existing menus, you could pick one, but creating a new menu ensures you start fresh and organize items exactly how you want. This sets up a blank structure inside the navigation block. Now add links. Click the Add button inside the navigation block and start typing the name of a page, post, or category, then choose it from the suggestions. You can also paste any URL to create a custom link to an external page. Reorder items by dragging them into place. To create a drop-down, indent one item beneath another to form a submenu, which helps keep your top level clean. Edit the link labels to keep them short and clear. In the block settings on the right, you can adjust alignment, spacing, and choose whether specific links open in a new tab. A concise menu improves usability. Aim for a handful of top-level items that cover your most important destinations. When you're satisfied, click Save in the top right corner. WordPress will summarize what's changing, your header and navigation, then click Save again to confirm. Your new menu is now live anywhere that header is used. Take a quick look at your site to confirm links work and that the layout looks good on desktop and mobile. Tweak alignment or spacing in the navigation block settings if needed. And that's it. You went to Appearance, opened the header template part, added a navigation block, created a new menu, added links, and saved. Thanks for watching, and happy building.